On the night of April 3, 2025, officers were dispatched to a hotel in Ohio after receiving reports of a woman who had become dangerously intoxicated. What started as a night of heavy drinking quickly spiraled out of control, leaving both her and those around her in a chaotic and unpredictable situation.
Hey, ma'am, what's going on? Okay, you're fine. Hey, just calm down. Stop yelling. You're the one who's yelling at me. Calm down. Okay. I need you to tell me what's going on. Okay.
Please, I can pay no.
Okay, what happened?
I'm scared with them.
What happened?
I can breathe no. I can't breathe.
What girl are you
Let me
talking
breathe.
about? Yeah, take a deep breath. You're okay.
Let me hear so I can get a dope and breathe, please, please.
Okay, just breathe.
You don't understand, like these dope and kitty girls, I can breathe like a pretty girl.
Okay.
Please,
Do you need a medic?
Yes, ma'am, I need a medic.
Well, if you want to start medics in the ER if you haven't already. Okay.
I'll breathe like the girls have been doing dope.
What's going on?
Hey, stay in here. Stay in here.
Like a British dope. Put her in cuffs.
Cuff.
Put her in scrub. And I'll be like a British dope. She went out much.
Hold still.
Yeah, breathe like a British dope. Stop. Why? Because it's scared like a British dope. You know, dope. You know why? Put me to the breathe like dope. That is fine. You know why? Because he's breathes like a British dope. You guys did? Like a British dope? You f***ed her yesterday like you can. Still British dope.
Stop.
Put me up. You think it's crazy?
Gonna be.
You think it's crazy? Like a donor pray?
How about you calm
I'll
down?
be f***ing like a British dope.
Calm down.
Let me breathe into there.
You have to calm down.
I'm praising dope. It's like a British dream. I said anything proud like you can't breathe.
Right here.
Like I mean,
What are we doing?
sing it like you're ready to breathe.
Finals, you know?
You want to breathe? You're ready to breathe. Yeah, one of these breathe. So you gotta breathe.
Calm down.
Sing it dope. Breathe like I'm ready to breathe. So you breathe dope like you're ready.
Do you need a medic?
Nope.
Okay. You just told me you did. What? I'm listening.
I'm going to eat dope like you're trying to breathe. You can eat dope like you're ready to breathe. You want it so, but you not.
Have you done any drugs today?
No.
Have you drank?
Guess what? Dope.
You drank?
I guess I like a brand of these.
I think you need a medic.
Dope.
Okay, you're sir.
Dope. You dope. You swear like a brand. You better breathe. You better slip me and celebrate. Stop. Stop. Well, the breathe breath.
I'm right here.
Do
not fight us.
You want to let me breathe?
Maybe they stop yelling.
You don't understand what it's like to breathe.
That was fun, man.
Stop. You feel that?
You feel that? Do you feel that? Calm down.
Yes, I'm gonna breathe. You gonna breathe. You gonna breathe. Help me. I cannot breathe. I wanna breathe. I wanna live. I wanna breathe. That's all I have to breathe. I want to breathe. That's all I have to breathe. You're gonna breathe. You're gonna constantly breathe.
Why do we get
Get off of me.
No.
Let's breathe. I want to breathe. Listen, I don't breathe. I want to breathe. Listen. You know what? I'm gonna wait until I mean I want to break the room across the cover line.
Okay.
Breathe. That's all about it. That's one time breathe. Help me out of this. Help me out of this. Breathe.
Calm down. You have to calm down. I know. Is he going to the medic?
They put him in there because I don't want to go.
Please.
you guys want to call for medics?
Yeah, they're coming.
I didn't put her in that car personally.
Oh, we had to put her in a medic.
Okay, I mean, don't start spitting. We're not doing that.
He did some pills everyone's in my house. So she's all been.
She's taking one.
All she did was drink, and
you feel him?
they said all she did was drink over tonight. But my main thing was one that they want to start. She's right here. She's being combating. Medics are en route. I think one of us has a ride with her. No charges at this time. Nobody wants to pursue it.
It's okay.
Okay, sorry, I had to get that settled. So what happened tonight?
All I just had too much alcohol.
Okay. And she just randomly just started fighting then?
Well, I mean, she did. It was random. It was really random. Never.
You guys weren't arguing about anything else? Okay,
Absolutely not. No, we were all having a nice conversation, and all of a sudden she was like, flipped.
She just walked over and like sucker punched you? What'd she do?
She just bit my chin. Actually, come up and bit me in the chin, and then.
Okay, so she came up and bit you. Do you have your driver's license with you?
I do not, but I got my driver's license over.
Okay.
What do you
need a medic for? Do not kick me.
Come on, squirt on bed. I'm so. Come on, man. Where bitch good with yours, nigga? Come on, it's great, bitch. Big enough for the villain. Come on, biggest. Come on, biggest. You can't. Come on, squares a big amount. I can't so loving. You squares are as big as I swear I damn. You feel me? I swear. Come on, bitches. You put I swear I see this. See, there's another little big ass pig. Come on, big. Come on, big. I'm a swear. Hell yeah, I'm squares. Hell yeah, I'm squares. I'm big. I'm a. Come on, biggest. I'm a square. I love y'all. Squares. You're big. I'm the squares. Come on, baby. You know, I love you. It's great for you. Baby. You know, I'm loving biggest and random biggest. Come on, square. Come on. Come on, daddy.
Hey.
Daddy.
Hey.
Hey, daddy.
Hey,
daddy. But daddy's that big little bitch.
Bodycam footage shows the woman shouting incoherently, alternating between pleas for help and sudden bursts of aggression. At one moment, she begged for medical attention, claiming she couldn't breathe. The next she lashed out, biting and kicking, forcing officers to restrain her. Her erratic behavior left responders uncertain whether they were dealing with a medical emergency, a case of intoxication, or both.
Let me go. Yeah, please. Let me go to sleep with my kids.
You want to go to sleep?
They're not like me. You love me. You never get speech. Thank you, sorry ass. Oh, bitch, I'm right there.
Grab her legs.
She doesn't send me a fuck long. Alright. Come here, Slow.
Off to jail.
Let me go.
Nope.
Let me go so I'm comfortable. Come here, let's stay comfortable.
You're going to jail.
Let me out of the job when you so you know. No. Stop. Because you're the matrix of a go along. I'm gonna let you on with the shut my ball. Hey, I'll be in the place I was along. There's not me on the fight like you have me to go.
We got one on the other side. We got this over there.
Stop it. Yes, you both will ball. You like you're supposed to believe me. Yeah. Now he think about.
Don't get.
Help me!
I do this.
Help!
Get out.
Help!
Stop.
Don't stop kicking!
Give me that seatbelt.
That's okay.
What?
Down here.
Yes.
don't want to. Just put it out. Just snap it here.
I book her on just DCM4.
DCM4. Just let them know.
What, cancel the medics?
Yeah.
I didn't know they were.
Well, here they come right now.
They're gonna be mad.
Oh, well.
I'm trying to get through.
Yeah. 151, one in custody.
I'll have dispatch call them and let them know that she's combative.
Oh, yeah.
She got You think I'm scared of you?
She likes to kick.
I'm good. How are you? I'm good. How are you? How you doing?
You want to sit inside the cruiser for a moment?
Yeah. Are you guys cooperating with me? Yeah. Perfect, baby. Wow. Are you pregnant? Hell, I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. I am not pregnant. I'm pregnant now.
Wow, she's walking with you guys. We had to carry her.
You think I'm a horse? We're just saying this. Come on. I don't know why he knows me. Okay, these are contrary. I didn't agree that you go horse.
Huh?
You were social.
You got not on there?
No, it's no.
No.
Is he?
He's coming down right here, right down now. He's
Click.
Please, stop me. I never want everyone from rallies. Right now, pray for me.
Keep your feet on the floor.
I know, but that's already right there. You saw me sucking Vanderbilts predict for me. You saw him get out.
Huh?
He said no.
No.
The Vanderbilts out.
I still don't even know what happened. We just kind of loaded her and went. She wanted to fight, but I think it was just her.
I know, so don't take that from me. I want to crease. We got to crease. One second. You barely see you say you're going to take off of me. Please, please, stop my voice. You're sorry, stop. I know. You're for me. Not for you. You're for me. Not for you. Please. I got over me. I got over me. Please, help. Help. You're sorry. Please do something down for me. What you done, guys? You got
Bodycam footage shows the woman shouting incoherently, alternating between pleas for help and sudden bursts of aggression. At one moment, she begged for medical attention, claiming she couldn't breathe. The next she lashed out, biting and kicking, forcing officers to restrain her. Her erratic behavior left responders uncertain whether they were dealing with a medical emergency, a case of intoxication, or both.